Hey everybody, it's Dr. Julie Quinn here, and I'd like to introduce you to week 8, the final week of class. You'll notice there are no new readings this week. We are finalizing the writing assignment number 5 briefing paper, which is going to be due Saturday. I'm going to make that update. You should have seen the announcement. Let's see, due Saturday, July 9th, and the presentation due July 12th. And I'll put that as Tuesday here, just so you can see my little update. I apologize for any of that prior confusion, but I want to make sure that we're all on the same page. We do want to stagger the due date of the briefing paper and of the final presentation just a little bit, so you have a little bit of time to just focus on that presentation. So other things due this week, discussion topic for week 8, choosing a podcast topic and sharing your findings. And so you can go through this. You listen to about approximately 10-minute podcast topic. It could be related to technical writing, could also be related to your major, and you get an opportunity to sort of explore some of these episodes here. If you need a quick reminder to find the link to the writing assignment number 5's briefing paper, it's in week 7. But you can also always, as a student, let me go into my student view as learner. You can always find the links to your assignments just by clicking on activities and assessments. And an assignment should be there. You'll notice that the assignment for your briefing paper, the day has been updated to Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time. So there's nothing new to introduce. It's just we're finalizing and we're finishing. So if you have any questions for the week, all you got to do is reach out and let me know. I'm available Thursday, Friday, and Monday and Tuesday of next week to chat with you on anything you have concerns about. I'm excited to finish this up with you. And remember, if you've made it this far, you're going to be able to complete the entirety of the term. And I'm excited to see you finish your work. Take care and great luck.